Said, how did you feel when you made your first sale?
I was very, very happy. Very, very happy. I was like, wow, truth. I was very, very happy. I didn't even believe
Okay.
I was even anymore. You say believe
Okay,
so.
you didn't believe that you could earn money, right? And I
Yeah.
saw the video. Do you have the video? Do you still have the video you made? The video
Yes,
you
I still
recorded.
have it.
Maybe you send it to me so that I'll edit it when I'm editing this particular video. You get? So this particular video, this particular call we are doing, is to help the person watching this video to explain to the person that it's possible. Is it possible now, based on your experience? Is it possible to just do different things and be able to make money by the
Very
same?
well, very, very
So it's possible, right?
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So you said that the strategy you used was making the video, which I told you how to just sit down and think about it and then introduce the product to people, right?
I saw a leverage from you, so you said I should create my own, like I should create an idea, or I'm going to sell it to people. That not me just selling it to them. That creating the benefit is going to serve them. Like what I going to benefit from the product. So I have to do an idea using the Valentine period and how it's going to create more, going to impact more good to them on their business.
Okay. So you said you were very happy when you made your first sale, right?
Yeah, yes, very well.
Okay. And you, okay, is it the video I saw you made? Was that what made you the sale?
Yes, the video.
Yes.
There's the video. So
So
if they DM me, I will then tell them on it.
okay, so that video you recorded it yourself, right?
Yes, I did
Okay.
it myself.
So you mean you thought of a concept and then you recorded the
Yeah.
video.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have something for you guys. Are you a businessman, a tailor, a fashion designer, a caterer? Like you sell things, shoppings or anything, and you need more gains and profits. You need people to know about your product. You want to make more profit.
And remember I told you that the video itself was very long and you were not precise. So
That's good.
that was your first time trying it, and with that first time you made a sale.
Yes, sir.
Good. So did you follow the timetable I gave? Did you follow the timetable? You lost connection. Trying to connect. Be honest with me. Tell me what is the thing that makes the G4G affiliate marketing course part different? What do you think makes my own strategies different from maybe what you've had before? And also, what was the experience you had before of other marketers?
Before
Yeah.
when they like that, someone badging into my WhatsApp and
Okay.
started telling me about marketing. So he said I'm going to pay the sum of 25,000 naira
Okay.
registration.
Okay.
So he convinced me. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Means money is there because I just love using my phone to do something, not just it to play game or chat or call.
Okay.
So then I have an interest on it. So then I paid him. After
Okay.
paying him, expecting that okay, he will start the tutor on anything or tutor me on how I'm going to make the money now through the affiliate marketing.
Okay.
He didn't even call me again. I didn't see his chat. Like he blocked me.
Okay.
I didn't even know anything about him again. After the 25,000 naira I paid, I didn't know
Okay.
anything. On your own, me visiting you, I didn't know you before through social media on YouTube.
Okay.
So I saw your market in the affiliate market, so I got interested in it. Then
Okay.
pick your number up and chatted you open WhatsApp. So you said I should pay the sum of 5,000 naira. And at that time
5,000.
it was during the season,
Yeah,
yes.
that was the
So it
Christmas season of the discount, right? Okay.
yes,
Okay.
Christmas season. So I then paid for it. After paying for it, immediately you just added me in the group in
Okay.
G4G club. So your own is very, very different in that aspect. After that, you start teaching me on how I'm going to follow up, creating value. You
Okay.
taught me that it's not that make like it's not you just making the wealth. You have to create value and make people
Okay.
to trust you
Okay.
for anything else. So I followed on your procedure. You taught me medicine and storytelling
Okay.
to make your advertisements okay and your past experience you can say so they will, like during the storytelling they will it will make them more attentive on what you are saying. They will be like wow what do you want to talk about, so
Okay.
they will be focused on it. So
Okay.
after that you said you tell me on that leverage of it. So I then create interest on it. Then make a video on, as you instructed me, I should make a video on my own. So I have to make the video.
So you mean you didn't give up when you lost that money to the scammer? You didn't give up. You
So I
still
didn't give up now.
okay. You still decided to
Yes, sir.
invest and pay, right? So you see, there are people that just because someone has scammed them, they used to give up. Do you understand? So because someone has
Yes.
scammed them, they will still automatically look at the whole business as a scam. So to your own opinion now, do you believe that just because people have scammed you doesn't mean you shouldn't give it a try? Do you believe that?
No, I didn't do that though. You have to keep on trying. You see, you later you will get the best friend that will tutor you, not you
Okay.
depending on this. You have to try more harder to get what you want.